If it looks like a tank and it feels like a tank, then it's a tank. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a new Cartier piece. So without further ado, let's get to it. So in today's video, let's just get straight to the point and unbox this new Cartier purchase. So obviously it comes in a Cartier bag just like this. And my favorite packaging in the world. So this boutique, I purchased this piece at the Printemps boutique in Paris, and unfortunately they didn't have the waxing, so I got a Cartier ribbon instead, but that's okay. I can use this ribbon a little bit more often than I do my waxing stamps. So let's undo this ribbon. Can't wait to show you guys what I bought. Finally got it. Okay. Cartier box, so it's kind of a medium-sized box, I would say. And let's see what it is. And ta-da! So I got the Cartier Tank Must. So not only is this a Cartier Tank Must, there's also their Solarbeat version. So the Tank Must is their newest version of the Tank watch that they released a couple of years back, or recently, about a year or two ago anyway. And their Solarbeat is kind of their first sustainable timepiece. So this watch took about 6 times less water and energy to produce. So as we get into the video and I show you close-up details about this watch, I will be explaining to you why this is a sustainable watch, and it's basically the first sustainable watch in fine watchmaking history. So that's very cool. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. So before I begin showing you closer details of this watch, let me just describe to you all what purchasing this Cartier watch, what it comes with. So it comes with this travel pouch in red. It says Cartier on the inside. The inside is in beige as well. And you have your little pillow to kind of like wrap your watch around and then insert it into the pouch. These bags are, or pouches, let's say, are perfect for traveling. If you don't want to carry your watch, let's say you're not going on vacation with your watch to begin with, you can also still use the pouch to carry your jewelry. It comes with like little pockets on the inside, so perfect to store your rings, your necklaces, bracelets, earrings. So I really do always have like a Cartier pouch with me on vacation. Doesn't always necessarily hold Cartier jewelry, but it stores my jewelry as well. So as you can see, it comes with a box like this. We do have the authenticity card right here. What I like about this box, I don't know if you can tell, but yes, it's a Cartier box, but it kind of looks like a jewelry box. So basically, if you don't want to store your watch in here, you can use it as a jewelry box, because it kind of has these like separations. So you can kind of like, let's say, put your bracelets, your earrings, your rings in there. And it's just very cute to leave on your nightstand or on your night table. And of course, we have our watch. So the Cartier Tank Solarbeat looks like a tank, it feels like a tank, and it wears like a tank. In fact, it's basically identical to a gold Tank Louis Cartier. It is basically a steel solar powered version of the Tank Louis Cartier. So for those of you who aren't sure what I'm talking about, the Tank Louis Cartier is one of their first tank models, and it was previously just made in solid gold or in gold. But with their new version of the tank that they have released, the Tank Must, which is this one that I'm holding right here, it looks exactly the same as the Louis version. And what that means is that the crown is very special and different. If you do compare it to the Tank Solo, that was the version that was previously available before this one, the crowns are completely different. I love this one just because it's kind of like old style. It looks bigger, it's more elegant, it's chic. It kind of gives it like that timeless, like old kind of Cartier look that I love so much. So Cartier is, like I mentioned before, this is the Solarbeat. So Cartier is the first to come out with a solar quartz watch, and none of the top tier fine watchmaking brands do a solar quartz watch, not yet anyway. I'm sure it's coming and it's in the works, but Cartier is the first to do this. So the Tank Must does come in two sizes. It comes in the large version and the small version. This one I'm holding right here is the large version, which means that the case dimensions are 33.7 millimeters by 25.5 millimeters, which is a good size. I can just put it over my wrist just to show you guys a little bit what that looks like. And as you can see here, it's the perfect size. So it's not too small, it's not too big. It's kind of like a unisex watch. You can kind of share it with your husband or significant other. So that's the way it looks. So if we take a closer look at the dial, aesthetically, the dial on the Tank Solarbeat is indistinguishable, honestly, from the traditional quartz Tank Must. They look exactly the same. To the naked eye, you really can't tell the difference. So you have your black Roman numerals, the Cartier in the center, you have your two hands. So there's no second hand. It has a minute hand and an hour hand. And they're in steel, your classic blue color and kind of sword shaped. Like that. Like I mentioned, look at this crown. It's just beautiful. I can't get over it. It is a sapphire at the top, just like with any other Cartier watches. And the Roman numerals are in black, like I did mention, and they seem like just regular Roman numerals, but they are actually quite special when you do think about it. So the Roman numerals, like I mentioned, you can't tell to the naked eye, but they are lightly and delicately perforated. So there are little tiny holes in these numerals. And what that does is that those openings allow the solar energy to enter and reach the photovoltaic cells embedded in the dial. So this watch is quartz movement, but powered by light. So according to the essay, leaving this watch under artificial light, so inside your home, under a lamp or whatever, 20 minutes gets the battery started. And if you leave it under natural light, so sunlight basically, 10 minutes is all you need to get this battery moving. Once the battery is 100% charged or fully charged, it does last about 50 days. So for those of you who are watch fanatics and you kind of rotate your watches, once your Cartier watch is fully charged, it's good 50 days, even if you do keep it in your box or whatever and you take it out 20, 30 days later, it's fine, it'll still be charged. And like I mentioned, it takes only 20 minutes under natural light, so put it under your lamp while you're getting ready in the morning, and before you're ready to go, it should be ready. The battery should start running. Now the rechargeable battery should last for at least 16 years before it needs to be replaced. Honestly, not much is known about the cost to service this watch or this battery, just because it is 16 years away. The essay assures me, or my essay assured me, that it's not a crazy amount. It's going to be quite reasonable. So we'll see in 16 years. I'll let you guys know. And just look how thin this watch is. It's all stainless steel. The back of the watch, as you can see, says Cartier water resistant. It's Swiss made stainless steel, like I just mentioned. Under the sticker is just the serial number that we don't need to see today. Now the strap is quite special as well. You can't have a sustainable watch with a leather or a calfskin strap. This strap is vegan leather. So the strap is composed of European apple waste, and this apple waste comes from France, Italy, Switzerland, and Germany. I don't remember what percentage of the strap is apple waste, and obviously there is a little bit of plastic that is incorporated into the watch just to be able to hold. But if you look closely, it kind of just looks like a normal strap. The buckle is a standard pin buckle with your C, your classic C for Cartier. If we look on the inside of the strap, you can see it says Swiss made. I'm not sure what BBE stands for, to be honest. And then you have Cartier as well, engraved onto the other side. Some more Cartier engraving or embossing. So let's just put that down. So honestly speaking, I did look at the American, so basically the United States and the Canadian version of the Cartier website. And although they do advertise the watch a little bit, it doesn't seem to be available in North America at the moment. Not on their website at least, so you can't really order the photovoltaic version of the Tank Must on either the United States or Canadian versions of the Cartier website. The regular quartz powered Tank Must is available, however, so you can get your hands on those very easily. And they look exactly the same, like I mentioned. However, the regular quartz powered one does have a genuine leather strap, however. The price tag on this watch is 3,000 euros, which is exactly the same for the Cartier Tank Must, the regular quartz powered one. So they're both the same price. You're honestly not saving money by going with the Solarbeat or with the regular quartz for that matter. They're the exact same price. They look exactly the same. Just that one is a little bit more sustainable than the other. So let's take one closer look before the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is what it looks like. I can try it on just to show you guys. And there you have it. This is what it looks like. I will say that the vegan strap does feel like it's very soft, so it does seem like it will mark more easily. There will be like where you close it, it will get used up or ruined a little bit more easier than leather straps. But however, it's a strap, so you can kind of change it once it does get ruined. Change it for another leather strap if you want, or a vegan leather strap. There's no problem with that. You can even have fun with the colors and mix and match the colors. So there you have it, the Cartier Tank Must. So that was my Cartier unboxing video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot more about why this watch is sustainable, and it kind of just, I hope you just learned a little bit more about how you can be into luxury and sustainable at the same time. Now, I'm not saying go out there and throw away all or get rid of all your genuine leather goods, but this is a step in the right direction. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave all your comments and questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!